Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to get black and white on CapCut. To get the black and white feature in CapCut, we have two basic methods. First method, apply a filter. Open a CapCut and add your video to the timeline. Tap Filters, scroll through the options, and choose a black and white filter like black and white in mono. Use the slider to control the strength of the filter. Tap the check mark to apply the filter to your video. Last method, use Adjust Settings. Start a new project, and once your video is on the timeline, tap Adjust on the toolbar and reduce the saturation to -100 for grayscale effect. Optionally, adjust brightness and contrast to enhance the black and white effect. Once done, tap the check mark to save your adjustments. Both methods give you a clean, black and white look. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.